Back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create account on TradingView. So for those of you that do not have a TradingView, you can go to your Play Store for your Android user and your App Store for iPhone user. Find your TradingView and you're going to get it. So once you install it, it's going to be like this. Just click on open. Once you click on open, they said look first, then leap. So that means let's just wait for it to load, finish. We're going to create our own personal account on it. So this is it. Whatever we trade, this and see. So what I'm going to do, I like continue with Google, so I'm just going to continue with Google. You can also do another thing. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and yeah, it's very easy. Google is going to I'm going to click on continue with Google. Let me just exit and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, this is how it looks like. So how do you now connect? So I'm going to click on this three dot line. I'm going to sign in now. So what I need to do is, okay, it has connected. I'm just going to it doesn't load very fast, so just click on continue. I'm going to sign in. Okay, and let's wait for it. Choose an account. I'm going to click on this. Yes, I want this account. I think it's supposed to be signed up, so let's see. I think okay, it is in already. You can see, let me show you you can see it is in already. So this is very simple. Just go to the process, use your Google, and you can just use a Google. Very easy, and this is it. We have created our own account. Is very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.